Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use SSH in cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your accounts. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and register for a new one, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the upper left corner you can get started managing your cPanel, setting it up on your computer, and once you set it up, you can get started with managing it. This is how your dashboard is going to look. You'll be able to access everything from your email settings to your files and to your databases. And now we can get started. So as you can see right here in the official cPanel website, there is an article showing us how to access SSH. So here is the overview and how you can get started connecting to your server via SSH. You have your PuTTY options right here and so on. So basically guys, you're going to be using this PuTTY client right here that you can download from this article directly. You have the link. So and you can go ahead and open up the Windows Start menu. There you're going to go ahead and in the session interface enter the hostname and IP address of the server in the hostname that you're using, and then you can get started with selecting the SSH protocol. So all of your steps that you need are right here in this article, so you can get started managing your SSH keys, generating new keys that you're going to go ahead and be using, importing those keys and managing them for your needs. So just go ahead and find this article right here and follow the steps one by one to enter in all of your info, username, password, and get started logging in for your cPanel in SSH. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.